Hey everyone, welcome back to By Ambition. In this video, I'll show you how to reset Google Chrome settings back to default. This is helpful if your Google Chrome is acting slow, glitchy, or the extensions you installed mess things up. So let's get started. Step 1, open up Google Chrome on your computer, which I have right here. Step 2, in the top right corner, click the three dots and click Settings. Step 3, on your left sidebar menu, click Reset Settings. Step 4, click Restore Settings to their original defaults. A pop-up will appear and it will inform you the reset settings. This will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pinned tabs. It will also disable all extensions and clear temporary data like cookies. Your bookmarks, history, and saved passwords will not be cleared. Click Reset Settings to confirm. And that's it. Google Chrome has been reset to its default settings. If this helped, like the video, subscribe to By Ambition, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.